Let's come to the rule on CBD.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Let's come to the rule on CBD. So in CBD, let's take this vessel B. She's a CBD. And she's got, these are the various range rings. These are the various range rings. And she's got a vessel A1. Then this is a vessel A2. This is a vessel A3. And this is a vessel A4. A1, A2, A3, A4 are successive positions of the same vessel with respect to the CBD. Of course, these are powered-in vessels. It's a powered-in vessel. These circles which we are talking about. So this circle from out exterior, this is ROC exists. Circle of ROC. This is called as close quarter situation. And the innermost circle is a circle of in extremis. Circle of in extremis. So when the vessel is at A1, the first position, at that point in time, she is so far away, or she has just sighted Bravo for the first time. So she is beyond the situation of risk of collision exists. She is so far away. So at that point in time, what will she do? A1. At that point in time, can she go to starboard? The answer is yes. Can she go to port? The answer is yes. She can go to starboard, she can go to port. Why? Because risk of collision does not exist. So she can alter to starboard, she can alter to port. Why? Because she has got a duty not to impede as per 18 delta 1. Duty not to impede as per 18 delta 1. She is not supposed to impede the safe passage of a vessel CBD. So that is the meaning of duty not to impede. She is beyond risk of collision. So at that point in time, what does CBD do? CBD at that point in time will maintain her course and speed. And what else will she do? Navigate with particular caution as per 18 delta 2. That is what the rules caution. Navigate with particular as per 18 delta 2. If A1 does not take any action, what will CBD do? She will sound 5 short and rapid blasts as per 34 delta. As per 34 delta. Okay. Supposing both don't take any action. वन ने भी नहीं एक्शन लिया. अब सिचुएशन आ गई A2 में रिस्क ऑफ कोलिजन एग्जिस्ट. ओके, नाउ A2 में नॉर्मल स्टीयरिंग एंड सेलिंग रूल्स विल अप्लाई. So when normal steering and sailing rules will apply, can A2 go to starboard? The answer is yes. Can A2 go to port? The answer is no. Because rule 17 will prohibit. So port is not allowed. Because 15, 16, 17 applies. So 15, 16, 17 applies. Normal steering and sailing rules apply when risk of collision exists in a crossing situation. So she will now, Bravo was supposed to take action because she's got her on her starboard side. A2, A1 at this stage was a giveaway vessel. At A2, this vessel will remain a giveaway vessel, but she also becomes a giveaway because she's got her other on her starboard side. And she has to take action as per 15, 16, 17. So this, what it's specifying 15, 16, 17 applies is given in rule 8F1 and 2. And point number 3 of IMO's guidance. And point number 3 of IMO's guidance. So what is she supposed to do? She is supposed to take action as per 8F3 and point number 7 of IMO's guidance. So as per that, she is supposed to have her main engines ready, and she is supposed to reduce her speed. If necessary, stop engines. So she is taking action also. Situation comes to A3, supposing action was not taken at A2. Then at A3, close quarter situation, both must take action. Action by one vessel alone is not sufficient. Both must take action. Go to starboard, not alter to port. No action taken. She will sound 5 short and rapid blasts. 5 short and rapid blasts to attract her attention. 5 short and rapid blasts. Still does not take any action. Vessel Bravo, stop main engine. And of course, hard starboard. Let us say no action taken. Vessel arrives at A4. A4. Situation extremis. In extremis का मतलब है extreme situation है. That means collision होके रहेगा. कोलिजन होके ही रहेगा. सो अब आपको जो भी करना है कोलिजन को रिड्यूस करने के लिए, इंपैक्ट रिड्यूस करने के लिए करना है. सो व्हाट विल यू डू? You will rig up fenders. You will rig up fenders She will go full astern, hard starboard, and try and take the impact as far forward of collision bulkhead as as possible. Hanji, any questions or any doubts?
सर A3 में CBD के एक्शन सेम होंगे A2 की तरह?
A3 में एक्शन सेम होंगे as
A2 for CBD?
correct.
Okay, sir.
Only difference is in A3 she has given stop main engine, whereas in A2 she still has not given stop main engine. She can sound 5 shot rapid blast at A2. Any other doubt? Can I erase it?
Yes, sir.